Hi everybody, it's Lynda. We're going to go through Renegades today to give you a few tips, and then we're going to go through the whole song. I'm going to be doing a lower part, she's going to be doing a higher part, and then we're going to, over there, wherever she is, she's going to be doing some oohs and maybe demonstrating some strums, blah, whatever. Alright, so first the strum pattern. We start off with the same strum pattern we use for Riptide. Right, so it starts on a down, down, then there's a space, and then an up, down, up. I'm not going to go through that whole strum. You'll hear it, and if it's a goal to learn it, that's fantastic. If you can't do that strum, just strum on the first beat. La 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 la. Do not do just any old strum, please, through the intro, because we won't hear the special strum if somebody's doing just up, down, up. You're going to fill that space, because in the special strum, there's down, down, space, up, down, up. And if there's strumming happening in that space, then we don't hear the space. Anyway, I know it's hard to sing at the same time as you're learning a new strum. So if you're not going to do that new strum, that special strum, just stick with those single strums. Do whatever you can. Anyway. All right, the la-la-las. If you're interested in learning the la-la-las, you're going to hear it, but I'll give you the notes. If you're doing the low part, I'm starting with la-la-la on a C note, and then a B, la-la-la, and then A, la-la-la. And she up there, she's starting with an E. La-la-la, then a D, la-la-la, C, la-la-la. But it should be kind of faint in the background anyway. On the lines where there are asterisks are the only lines when we do a regular strum. And at the last lines of the chorus where it just says Renegades, we go back to that special strum, but you'll hear it. All right, we're just going to see how this goes here. Souls in revelry, la la la, la la la, la la la, running wild and running free, la la la, la la la, la la la, two kids, you and me, la la la, la la la, and I said hey, 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 living like we're renegades, hey, 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 living like we're renegades, renegades. Long live the pioneers, la la la, la la la, la la la, rebels and mutineers, la la la, la la la, la la la, go forth and have no fear, la la la, la la la, la la la, come close and lend an ear, la la la, la la la, and I said hey, 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 living like we're renegades, hey, 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 living like we're renegades, renegades, renegades. All hail the underdogs, all hail the new kids, all hail the outlaws, hey, Spielbergs and Kubricks. It's our time to make a move. It's our time to make amends. It's our time to break the rules. Hey, let's begin. And I said, hey, 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 living like we're renegades. Hey, 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 living like we're renegades, renegades.